Here's how to quickly check if your PC might be compromised. Right-click the Windows Start menu and select Run. Type MRT and click OK to open the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Click Next and choose your scan type. Quick Scan targets the most common spots where malware hides and takes just a couple of minutes, while Full Scan checks your entire system and can take a few hours, best used if you have noticed strange behavior or performance issues. For now, Quick Scan is fine. If anything suspicious shows up, the tool will recommend a full scan afterward and remove any threats automatically. Next, open Run again. Type netpwiz and press Enter to open the User Accounts window. Review the list of all profiles on your system. If you see any account you do not recognize, that is a red flag, so select it and click Remove to block unauthorized access. Finally, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab and sort by the Status column. Scan through the enabled apps for anything you do not recognize or did not install yourself. Right-click and select Disable to stop it from launching automatically and reduce the risk of malware running quietly in the background due to your computer. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.